So let's talk about ADHD in different cultures. This study above me compared parents in Hong Kong to those in the United Kingdom, and researchers asked them to rate ADHD symptoms in preschoolers, things like hyperactivity, inattention, and impulsivity. So we're not rating every ADHD trait, but those three specifically. So what makes this study interesting is they didn't just rely on parent reports. The children also wore activity monitors so they could objectively measure how much they were actually moving. And the interesting part is that children in Hong Kong were on average actually less physically active than children in the UK. But the Hong Kong parents were rating their children as more hyperactive and inattentive. So, what does this mean? It suggests that different cultures may have different thresholds for what counts as out of the norm behavior, right? So, in cultures that might have higher academic pressure or stronger expectations around certain behavioral control and conformity, even lower levels of activity may feel like behaviors are more disruptive. So, of course, this doesn't mean that ADHD isn't real or it's not showing up in certain cultures, but it means that the perception of symptoms exists within this cultural lens. So, similar behavior, different context, and therefore different interpretations. So, I think all of this does matter when we talk about diagnosis, stigma, and just support overall worldwide.